everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage rustic cottage decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage rustic cottage decor is a warm, nostalgic interior style that blends old world charm, natural rustic elements, and cozy cottage comfort. It feels lifted, handcrafted, and gently edged, like a peaceful countryside home filled with memories. How defines vintage rustic cottage decor? Ease and time-worn beauty. This style celebrates imperfection. Furniture often looks earthed, distressed, or antique. Think chipped paint, worn old, and softly fitted finishes. Next, natural and rustic materials. Uses wood, stone, iron, clay, linen, cotton, and wicker are key. Reclaimed oak tables, exposed beams, or rough textures bring an earthy, rounded feel. A soft, vintage color palette, muted and calming colors dominate. Use cream, ivory, and warm white. Use soft beige, taupe, and gray. Shades green, dusty blue, pale lavender. Gentle floral accents. Nothing feels bold or modern. Everything is soothing and timeless. Cottage comfort and coziness. Comfort is essential. Plush cushions, layered throws, crocheted blankets, and soft curtains make the space feel welcoming and relaxed. Use floral and natural inspired touches. Use small florals, botanical prints, dried flowers, and greenery. Connects the home to nature, like a cottage surrounded by gardens. Handmade and vintage accessories decor includes vintage frames, mirrors, and clocks, ceramic pictures, enamel art, and old jars. Use crochet, lace, embroidery, and patchwork. Wooden crates, baskets, and galvanized metal. Use simple, unpretentious styling. The look is never polished or perfect. It feels personal, solo-living inspired, and full of heart. Overall feeling, vintage rustic cottage decor creates a home that feels peaceful and nostalgic, warm and welcoming, romantic yet practical, rooted in nature and tradition. It is perfect for anyone who loves quiet beauty, countryside charm, and soulful spaces, a style that feels like coming home. The soul of vintage rustic cottage decor. This is style not about trends or perfection. It is about emotion, memory, and simplicity. A vintage rustic cottage home feels like it has grown slowly over time, collecting pieces that tell quiet stories. Each reflects a slow countryside lifestyle, a love for handmade and inherited objects, comfort over luxury, beauty in ease and imperfection. Furniture and wood details. Furniture is a study, honest and taste. Use farmhouse tables with visible grain or cracks. Use wooden cabinets with peeling or chalk paint. Charmed legs, curved details, and simple craftsmanship. Mix and match pieces instead of matching sets. Reclaimed or distressed wood adds character and warmth. Walls, floors, and surfaces. Walls. Use soft whitewash, limewash, or muted pastel paint. Use subtle texture adds charm. Vintage wallpaper with tiny florals or faded prints. Next, floors. Use natural wood floors. Slightly worn is ideal. Stone or brick for rustic depth. Layered with open rugs, beaded rugs, or faded floral rugs. Surfaces. Open shelves in a state of closed cabinets display everyday items beautifully. Textiles and soft layers. Textiles bring the counter softness, those linen and cotton curtains that move with the breeze, lace trims, russet details, and hand embroidery, those floral cushions, pastoral quills, and knitted draws. Layering fabrics create us a cozy lived-in feeling. Decorative accessories and styling. Decor feels collected, not decorated. Use old books, handwritten letters, and journals. Also use ceramic bowls, pitchers, and teacups. Vintage trays, lanterns, and candle holders. Glass jars filled with herbs, grains, or dried flowers. Each piece should feel personal and meaningful. Lighting and atmosphere. Lighting is warm and gentle, with table lamps with fabric or pleated shapes. Lantern style lights and iron fixtures. Use candles for evening coziness. Avoid bright white light. Soft, warm tones enhance the vintage mood. Nature as a design element. Nature is always present. Use fresh or dried flowers, potted herbs on windowsills, branches, pine cones, or seasonal greenery. The home should feel connected to the outdoors. The overall experience of vintage rustic cottage home feels calm and nurturing, slightly nostalgic, handmade and heartfelt, quietly romantic. It invites you to slow down, enjoy simple moments, and feel at peace. The philosophy behind the style. Vintage rustic cottage decor is rooted in the idea that a home should feel loved, not styled. It values history over newness, patina over polish, comfort over perfection. Every object feels chosen slowly, often reused, repurposed, or passed down. Nothing looks rushed or much product. Storytelling through objects. Each piece tells a quiet story. A chipped teacup is still proudly displayed. An old wooden tools turned into a side table. A withered frame holding faded photographs. Handmade crochet passed through generations. These items create emotional warmth and authenticity. Color language and emotional impact. Colors in this style are soft whispers, never loud. Screams and warm white brings calm. Muted greens connect to nature. Dusty blues feel nostalgic. Soft browns and warm grays crowd the space. These colors reduce visual noise and encourage relaxation. Textures, the heart of rustic charm. Textures create depth and soul. Use rough wood against soft linen, cold stone balanced with warm fabrics, matte ceramics beside delicate glass. Layering textures make the space feel rich without being heavy. Furniture arrangement and flow. Spaces feel open, relaxed, and informal. Furniture is arranged for conversation, not symmetry. Nothing is too far apart to too perfectly adjacent. Chairs, stools, and benches feel movable and useful. This creates a welcoming, lived-in atmosphere. The beauty of imperfection, wabi-sabi influence, cracks, fading, knots, and wear are celebrated. Distressed finishes are embraced. Uneven surfaces feel human. Natural aging adds character. Imperfection brings honesty and warmth. Solo living and daily rituals. This decor supports solo living. Morning tea near a sunny window. Reading old books in soft light. Cooking simple meals in a cozy kitchen. The home becomes a sanctuary from fast modern life. Seasonal living the cottage way. Decor changes gently with seasons. Spring use fresh flowers and light linens. For summer, airy curtains and open windows. For autumn, warm throws and earthy tones. For winter, use candles, coils, and layered textures. Nothing dramatic, just soft transitions. A vintage rustic cottage home feels peaceful and nurturing, emotionally warm, grounded in nature, full of memory and soul. It is not just a decor style, it is a way of living. Emotional and lifestyle foundation. Vintage rustic cottage decor is deeply connected to solo living, comfort, and emotional safety. It creates spaces that feel calm and grounding, familiar and nostalgic, protective from the fast modern world. This style encourages mindfulness, quiet routines, and appreciation of simple pleasures. Layer design approach. This decor style works in layers, not single statements. Base layers structure. Natural wood floors or stone. Use soft, neutral wall colors, exposed beams or rustic ceilings. For middle layers, furniture. Use aged oak tables and cupboards. Use vintage chairs with curved lines. Open shelving instead of closed cabinetry. Top layers. Soul details. Use handmade textiles, antique accessories, soft lighting, and natural elements. Furniture character and craftsmanship. Furniture feels handcrafted and functional. Use thick wooden legs and solid frames. Traditional joinery. Slightly uneven or imperfect surfaces. Nothing looks delicate or ultra-modern. Everything feels reliable and firm. Decorative styling rules. Instead of minimalism, this style follows intentional abundance. Group items in odd numbers. Mix old and older, not old and new. The breathing space, never clutter. Decor is practical, beautiful, and meaningful. Light, shadow, and mood. Natural light is essential. Use shade curtains. Light bouncing off hilly walls. Evening warmth from lamps and candles. Lighting spaces the emotional tone of the home. Kitchen as the heart of the cottage. The kitchen is cozy and open. Use wooden countertops or marker blocks. Ceramic dishes on display. Linen towels and hanging utensils. It feels welcoming, not showroom perfect. Personal story and authenticity. The most important rule. It must feel personal. Use family items, handmade crafts, travel finds, repurposed pages. A home should tell your story, not copy a catalog. Timelessness of a trends. Vintage does the cottage decor avoid trends. No fast fashion decor. No sharp modern taste. No bold, flashy statements. It grows slowly and ages beautifully. Final feeling. A home styled this way feels warm, gentle, and honest. Comforting and nostalgic, rooted in nature and memory, full of soul and quiet beauty. It is not just decor, it is a way of living slowly and beautifully. Heritage and cultural roots. Vintage rustic cottage decor is inspired by old countryside cottages in Europe and rural homes worldwide. Farm life, handcrafted traditions, and pre-industrial living. Homes where objects are repaired, reused, and cherished. This heritage keeps the style authenticity and timeless appeal. The sensory experience, how it feels. This decor engages the senses. Sight with soft colors, gentle contrast, edged surfaces, and layered textures create visual color. For touch, use rough wood, soft linen, and knit throws, and cool ceramics invite physical comfort. For sound, heavy curtains, rugs, and fabric soften rounds, making the spaces quieter and more peaceful. A smell, natural materials, dried herbs, oud, and candles add subtle warmth. Real life functionality. This style is practical, not decorative only. Furniture is sturdy and usable. Storage is open and accessible. Decor items often serve a purpose. Beauty and usefulness coexist naturally. Starting with patina and ease. Ease is embraced, not hidden. Use faded paint or edged natural decolorations. Repaired cracks. This makes still stories and add soul. Mixing old with very bold instead of mixing old and new. This style layers antiques with vintage pieces, combines handmade crafts with inherited items, avoids anything ultra-modern. Consistency in age creates harmony. Imperfection as luxury. In this style, handmade equal valuable, own equal beautiful, simple equal elegant. Luxury is emotional, not expensive. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.